think it has been an incredible journey for me when I came here in 2018. From then till now in 2021, there has been a lot of learnings, a lot of ups and downs as well, obviously. But there's a lot of positive side to look at it. I've learned a lot from everyone, all coaches, all support staff, everyone, right from batting coach, fielding coach, trainer, everyone. Winning it 2 times in 4 years, I think that's a big positive which I'll take, and most importantly, winning two times in a row. I think that defines character of this team, that we never became complacent and we always wanted more. It is really emotional also. We don't know whose faces we are gonna see again next year, as a big auction is on their head. I can only say one word for when it comes to blue and gold. Only one word comes to my mind, that is emotion. I feel when I came here in 2018, I got more added responsibility on my shoulders, batting at number 4, then getting to open the innings. Rohit sacrificing his spot and letting me open, giving someone who's coming in new into the side, and then taking that number 3 spot and going ahead in 2019, 2020, going on to represent India in white ball format. I think that was also a very beautiful moment at that time. Playing for MI two years consistent in a row, performing for them, contributing whenever team required, and going on and playing for India. They threw a challenge and responsibility both together, and I tried my best to grab it with both hands. I still remember Akash calling me. He was the first one to call me and tell me, you have been picked. All your hard work of hard work started 8 to 10 years back, but consistent performances last 2 to 3 years have got you this spot. So respect it and keep working hard towards it, and enjoy your time out there. Oh, the only thing which strikes my mind whenever I close my eyes is that hurdle before warming up, when everyone, not only the 11 who are going on the field, but everyone who is standing together just before the toss, all 18 to 20 of them, including all the 7-8 support staff, and when we talk, we look in each other's eyes before going into the game. I think that's the most important thing which I'll miss. I don't know what's gonna happen next year. And the way we spend time off the field. You win a game or you lose a game, everything remains the same when you reach the dressing room or you reach the team room. So these two things are very, very close to me, which I'll take away from last 4 years. Only message to Pulton will be thank you so much for showing so much love and support in the last 4 years. Let's keep it going, keep it the same way as you all have been doing, and hopefully I'll be back in blue and gold. एकच वादा, सूर्या दादा.